In this video, we're looking at interpreting tables. Now, this table here is mobile phone companies and the contracts they have available. And this person wants to make sure that contract will have at least 90 minutes of calls, 900 texts, and 140 megabytes of data. So we need to see if any of these fit those requirements. So let's start on company C. Now, company C has 130 minutes of calls, so that'd be fine, but only 800 texts. So that's not going to be enough, so we're not going to do company C. Company B here has 120 minutes of text, so that's fine, but only 750 texts, so that's not going to be fine, so not company B. Company A has 100 minutes, that's more than 90, that's good. 1,000 texts, that's more than 900, that's good. And 150 megabytes of data, so that's good. So we would choose company A, and then we would write company A because it more than meets all her requirements. So on to this second question. This is about choosing a bank that will give the most interest. So we have £6,000 to put into a bank account. So that is between 5,000 and 10,000. And then in that, the largest interest rate is 0.9, which means that bank B is the one we should choose.